Okay, my friends, this is our fourth accident that we got today. We just came back from pulling out a small Honda. We got called again for a white Ford. And we are on our way. We have our friendly driver,
Yes.
Mr. Macedo.
Okay, so we go and see how everything going.
It's snowing, so when it snows, there's
A lot of work.
a lot of work, accidents, and but we'll show you as soon as we get there. We got like 10 minutes to get there, so stay tuned, my friends. And
We remind you to drive carefully, especially when it's snowed or wet, raining. It's a lot better.
that means go
You get an
slow,
accident.
slow, because the faster you go, the less time you have to stop. So stay tuned, my friends, and enjoy the video. Okay, my friends, when there's an accident, they let us go on the left-hand side just to clear it faster. So we're not breaking the law, we're just trying to get to the accidents faster. So we'll see how our driver does without hitting nobody. So stay tuned, we should see it. It should be coming up.
Ok, mis amigos, ahí está el accidente. Esperemos que esté bien. Oh my goodness. Don't look good.
White Ford, a ver.
White Ford. It's white Ford. Yeah. Okay. See, that's a
Ahí
white
enfrente
Ford.
vamos a esperar.
Okay.
White Ford.
Okay, it's behind this blue Toyota.
Okay, behind that one.
So they're getting the guy loaded out of the Toyota, and then the
Okay.
ambulance get out of here.
Okay.
So just kind of hang out for a minute. That's okay. Yep.
Sounds good. Yeah, so there's a car right here. Got a lot of damage.
Are you okay? You don't want to stay inside this morning?
Pues miren, déjenme les enseño un poquito, ¿ok? Miren el weather, la montaña. Oh, ahí está Chepito. Se está poniendo la chamarra. Y acá el otro carro pues ya se va. El otro de la grúa pues se va, se lo lleva. Necesitamos despejar esta carretera lo más pronto posible para poder haga menos accidentes, ¿verdad? So, está un poquito drástico, como pueden ver. Aquí estamos. Quédense con nosotros, regresamos con ustedes en un momento.
Venga. Very slippery, my friends. Be careful.
Tito is gonna grab the car so we can get out of here. We're the last ones. We have the owner in the vehicle, so we just gotta de aquí. Mire, de ese pico de ahí, los dos, tiene dos. Tiene dos. Como quieras más, sorry. Sorry. Están enseñando el Padre Nuestro a... Sorry my friends, but Mr. Masiro knows what he's doing. ¿Ya le di las llaves? Okay. He knows what he's doing. The chain. Arriba. It's on top. On the other side. Okay, my friends, that's the end. We saw what we did. We used the winch. Not too exciting. It's just the place where it is. All kinds of snow, and we gotta talk to the customer, see what he wants to do. So stay tuned, my friends. And hey, is it stayed in town? Yeah. So, stay tuned, my friends, and I hope you enjoy the video.